Okay, this is our D9000 kit, including motor, D9000 Denzel D9000. Okay, controller DECO, Denzel DECO 275 amperes. Kit including these cables, including alarm, switcher for direction, and eco sport mode, router, okay, DC including DC 10 ampere, and including turn light relay. Okay, now, and to exit, this is cable exit for brake sensor, and yeah, and and this is exit for your light system. Here is ground, four wires, ground, 12 voltage, 12 voltage for turn light and brake. So you can make light system for your motorcycle. Okay, now we turn on supplier. We can see here battery current. Okay, this is a voltage indicator. You could put in your handlebar. Okay. Okay, now we turn on Denzel kit by this remote control. Twice push this button. Okay, look, it's turn on, turn off, turn on, and screen in your computer also turn on, and you can see here is the sport mode. And now choosing direction. Here you can see voltage, battery voltage, motor temperature, controller temperature. Okay, look how it's working. This is a switcher direction. Okay, forward and reverse. Okay, and this switcher is Eco Sport. Look here, Eco Sport, very easy. And here many parameters you can change according to your requirements. Later we can explain every parameters in our website or in our group, DECO group. I can put it. Okay, now we go. Use just router and go. Why we did not go? You look, this is a router voltage, but motor did not turn. Why? Because now have direction. Okay, look. Now we choose direction. Now is okay. No. See here, motor. Look. Okay. And here you can see speed motor, and here is the fastest current. Here, speed kilometer or milli 1 hour. You can change this parameter in the controller. Now is eco mode, so speed we put just now is sport mode, and speed we limited 3,500. Yeah, and fastest current 3.5 amperes. Okay, now we cancel intruder. Okay, very easy, and turn on, turn off. Okay, that's all.